In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Alibaba promo code 2025 step by step. If you're new to Alibaba, the easiest way to unlock savings is by setting up a new account because the platform regularly gives welcome coupons and first order discounts to new buyers. These offers are typically delivered by email after you register and verification is complete. And they also appear in your account once you log in. Start by going to Alibaba.com in your browser and creating a buyer account. Choose sign up, enter your details, and confirm your email or phone number so Alibaba knows the account is active. Verification matters because many welcome coupons are only issued once your account is confirmed. After you log in for the first time, keep an eye on the homepage banners and your message center. You may see new user coupons highlighted there. If you don't see them right away, give it a little time for the system to update, and check your email's promotions or spam folders in case the welcome message was filtered. Next, head straight to the place where all your savings live, the Coupon Center. While logged in, open the My Alibaba menu, then look for Coupons or Coupon Center. This page shows every coupon, voucher, and promo code currently tied to your account. You can usually filter by type, such as platform coupons that work site-wide or seller-specific coupons that apply to a particular store. When you find an offer you want, click to collect it. Some coupons display a visible code, others are automatically stored and will apply at checkout if your order meets the conditions. Before you rely on a coupon, read the fine print, check the expiration date, the minimum order value, and any category or seller restrictions. Some offers are valid only for new users or only in certain regions, and many exclude shipping costs or extras. If you shop on the mobile app as well as desktop, make sure the coupon is eligible on your chosen device, because a few promotions are app only. If a coupon doesn't appear at checkout, return to the Coupon Center to confirm it's still active and that the products in your cart qualify. That's it. Create your account to trigger new user perks, then use My Alibaba and the Coupon Center to view and collect the promos tied to you. Follow those steps and you'll be set up to grab the best Alibaba discounts available to your account in 25.